Welcome back, guys. So let's see faster methods to generate scripts using artificial intelligence. The first method would be to copy and paraphrase an already existing script from another YouTube video. Since you will be changing it, the content will be different, so it's not just copy-paste. And let's see how you can do this. Let's take our previous example and head to YouTube and search for Jay-Z Mansion. Let's pick this video. You can either click these three dots, choose Show Transcript, and copy the text and paste it into a Word document, and then clean it. Or you can use a website to do it for you. By going to Google Search, type Download YouTube Subtitles. Copy and paste the YouTube URL and click Download. I will pick the .txt version. And there you go. Much cleaner, right? Then you can use a free paraphrasing tool like Quillbot. Paste the text and click Rephrase. The first 125 words are free, and you can also get a premium version for more. As you can see, it literally paraphrases the script, and you get a brand new version of it that you can use in your videos. Another way is to find good quality articles about the topic you want and paraphrase them in Quillbot. Let's say you want to create a video on the finance niche, and you want to talk about cryptocurrency. What you can do is simply search on Google for what is cryptocurrency, for example. Here is a great article and might be a great title for your video, Cryptocurrency Explained with Pros and Cons for Investment. In your video, you can talk at the start about what is cryptocurrency, and you can copy this paragraph. Then maybe types of currencies and are cryptocurrencies legal? Now you copy and paste the text into Quillbot and do the same thing. As you can see, you have different modes of paraphrasing, and you can also change synonyms mode in order to make the article more unique. It's a great tool, and you can use it should you choose this method. Another AI-powered way to write your scripts is ChatGPT on OpenAI.com. Give it a try, and you will see the power of this website, not only for your YouTube videos, but for so much more. Let's write types of cryptocurrencies, and this AI will generate your scripts for free. Or you can write are cryptocurrencies safe investments, and boom, there you go. It writes the script for you. This website is a game changer.